Let's do the intro right here. Would you feel okay about that? Yeah. Hi, it's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and today I'm bringing you behind the scenes on a recipe shoot day. Now, I do a lot of recipe testing, tweaking to make sure that all these recipes work, and they're gonna turn out perfect for you when you cook them in your own backyard. But today is a production day, so we're taking all those tested recipes and we're making them beautiful so that they can show up on the website and you can cook them at home. We've got Natalie doing kitchen assistanting. She's currently grating cheese for a grilled mac and cheese recipe. Greg's taking pictures. He's already shot some steaks. And I want to take you through what it looks like behind the scenes day in the life of Hey Grill Hey. Let's do it. Ready? Yep. First up today, we're doing steak 3 ways. So we've got a pellet grill steak. This one has been smoked. We're doing a steak on the charcoal grill and a steak on a propane gas grill because I get that question a lot. So we're trying to cover all of our bases, which is really fun trying to manage 3 different steaks on 3 different fires at the same time. There's no room for error, but I already made an error. That was disappointing in so many ways. Thanks, everybody. Team effort. Okay, we're going indirect first with the smoky. Then we'll move it over. You good?
Quick, just go. Just talk. You're fine.
So I overcooked one of my steaks already. I was just a little distracted. I have 3 steaks on 3 grills, and I forgot about my propane one a little bit, and it got up to 140, which is like not inedible, but still like a bummer. After all 3 steaks are done, we're gonna crank chicken. Let's make mac and cheese, because that's what's going on this grill, is our mac and cheese. So we're gonna spread out the coals and kind of close down the damper so that our temperature's a little bit lower, and then we're gonna make the mac and cheese on here. So once we get this off and Greg's shooting it, let's get ingredients for the mac and cheese. It's a recipe day today, so we're cooking, we're shooting. I think we're doing 6 or 7 recipes today. The whole crew is here. But we also decided to film like a little YouTube video about it so you could see behind the scenes. Also, this is, I don't know. Listen, I just want 80s hair, apparently. Okay, ready? We got pellet grill steak. We got charcoal grilled steak with some wood chips on the coals. So one of the perks of recipe days is when everything's done, there are many snacks. So right now they're testing, we did 3 different steaks, you know, they're testing each one. I prefer the charcoal steak, but they get to try them as well.
All right.
We have hit the not beautiful side of the day, and this happens every time during a shoot day because we made 7 of the 8 things that we did today and we shot them and we ate them as we went, and now we have 1 thing left, and I have that like full belly sleepy kind of situation happening, and I just really want to go lay down, but we're almost done. We're so close. 1 more recipe, clean up, and then that's a wrap. Thank you. So it is just about 2:37. Our kids get out of school in 7 minutes, and we finished just in time. We just finished shooting the jalapeno poppers. In total, we did 9 posts worth of photos today, which is a crazy large amount, but our team is the absolute best. And I've been cooking and developing and shooting recipes for over a decade, so we have become quite efficient. I hope you loved having a little peek behind the scenes, but even more so, I hope this gets you super stoked for when these recipes hit the website. Make sure you're keeping an eye out because we drop new recipes every single week on HeyGrillHey.com and also on the Hey Grill Hey app. So make sure you download that and check it out. We're super glad you're here. We hope you enjoyed a little peek behind the curtain. I really love that this is the work that I get to do, and I can't believe that I get to spend my day cooking and making food really delicious and really beautiful, and that I get to share that with you at home, so then you can go on and share it with your friends and family on your way to becoming a backyard barbecue hero. For more recipe videos, more barbecue and grilling, business, lifestyle, all of the fun things, content, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like and comment the videos, that way we show up the next time you log into YouTube. See you next time.